Next 19 to 22 questions are to complete the summary. This summary is about reintroduce the links to Britain. We have to choose the words from given list, so sometimes it can be synonym in the paragraph. First question is, there would be many advantages to reintroducing the links to Britain. While there is no evidence that the links has ever put someone in danger. ऐसा कोई एविडेंस नहीं है कि लिंक्स ने इस चीज को खतरे में डाला. Let's see in the paragraph. The links presents no threat to human beings. There is no known instance of one preying on people, so its answer is humans. Next question is, it would reduce the number of certain something whose population have increased enormously in recent decades. ये उनकी population को reduce करेगा जिसकी बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई है. Let's see in the paragraph. It is a specialist predator of roe deer, a species that has exploded in Britain in recent decades. So because roe deer is not mentioned in the given list, we will write its synonym, that is, wild animals. Next question is, it would present only a minimal threat to something provided these were kept away from lynx habitats. इन्हें lynx का बहुत कम खतरा होगा अगर इन्हें दूर रखा जाए तो. Let's see in the paragraph. The lynx requires deep cover, and as such presents little risk to sheep and other livestock, which are supposed as a condition of farm subsidies, to be kept out of the wood, so its answer is, farm animals. Next question is, furthermore, the reintroduction program would also link efficiently with initiatives to return native dash to certain areas of the country. इस program में किसी और चीज को भी दोबारा से लाने की शुरुआत भी होगी. Let's see in the paragraph. Conservationists are starting to accept that the old preservation jar model is failing, even on its own terms. Already projects such as Trees for Life in the Highlands provide a hint of what might be coming, so its answer is, trees. Next 23 to 26 questions are, yes, no and not given. First question is, Britain could become the first European country to reintroduce the lynx. Lynx को reintroduce करने में Britain first European country बन सकती है. Let's see in the paragraph. If trees return to the bare hills elsewhere in Britain, the big cats could soon follow. There is nothing extraordinary about these proposals, seen from the perspective of anywhere else in Europe. ये कोई खास बात नहीं है. यूरोप में पहले भी देखा गया है. So its answer is, no. Next question is, not given. Next to that is, changes in agricultural practices have extended the habitat of the lynx in Europe. Agriculture practices में बदलाव होने से यूरोप में lynx के habitat बढ़ गए हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. The lynx has been able to spread as farming has left the hills, so its answer is, yes. Next question is, it has become apparent that species reintroduction has commercial advantages. Species reintroduction का commercial advantages साफ हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. People discover that it is more lucrative to protect charismatic wildlife than to hunt it, so its answer is, yes. Thanks for watching.